What's up, guys? Jesse here with AI Music Money, and today we're just gonna review this little video here. Dr. Dre's Protégé. I think that you said that Rance is using Suno AI and how they're integrated in their workflow. We're gonna review that real quick. And first, major credibility check. Of course, I always remember to do this for the new people. And at the beginning of this credibility check, I really want to say thank you to all the people that used my affiliate link here in January. That's paid $110. Y'all, every one of you that used that link, not only did you save your 7%, but you also they paid me $10 at no cost to you, and I really appreciate that. And I appreciate you for watching this. And also, if you want to know how I've made almost $50,000 in the past few months with 23,000 or so coming in January, or over 23,000 coming in January, over 20,000 coming in December. And this has now become over $20,000 in monthly reoccurring revenue. And I'm gonna tell you that's 99% profit. What you see is the team that I have is me. All right. If you want to know how and this is just my main artist. This isn't all my streams, by the way. If you want to know how I got over 11 million streams, 11.5 million streams now, we're banking 70,000 streams, 75,000 streams a day. We've peaked out at over 115,000, 119,000 streams was our max back in November when we had songs going viral. It looks like I feel like we're about to pop again, but maybe it's about to drop, right? Because they hate us. And if you want to know how I did that, go watch all my videos. Go watch all of mine, especially the ones that say course, full course, and new course. I give everything for free. You don't got to pay for anything. The tool you see me using there, I didn't have it first. You go look at my first videos. It wasn't there. Okay. So, and you don't have to join my school community. Everything is free minus that tool. That tool is just a way to say thank you for the school community members, because everything in that school is free just about. I started giving my prompts and all that stuff. If you want that material, you got to go pay the money for my time, right? Because you see, I'm making a lot of money. So for me to take this time, extra time for the people, they asked for this and I gave it to them and they instantly joined. So that school will stay as long as the founding members stay in there. They go away, the school will go away. And I'll tell you honestly, I think about deleting this channel and my school all the time, because it's that gatekeeping makes me want to be greedy with it, right? Naturally. And I'm just not a greedy person by nature. I'm not a gambler, but I kind of have that thought multiple times a day that I should just delete this channel. It's not worth it, right? Because the money that I'm going to make from school and YouTube showing you guys this isn't going to recoup losses if I lose a channel because of these bad actors. And we already have several of them. I've had to, and they're increasing. I've had 2 of them. They're trying to dox my main channel, and they're just terrible people. And all that spite, it grows like like cancer, and it causes cancer. So don't be a spiteful, mean person. But today we're going to go over, and I had to ban some of them this morning, just on my videos. You might have seen them, right? In this video with Dr. Dre's Protégé, they kind of got the human foundation. They're starting with human DNA, right? Their inputs are human. They're using songs, sounds. They're singing into the mic. They're doing just playing the guitar, right? They're generating and exporting stems, putting it into DAW. They got a rapid iteration workflow. They can rapidly make songs, right? And we're not going to watch the whole video, but I learned in here that the 120 BPM secret is kind of that it's really close to the human heartbeat. So that makes sense. I like that, of learning new things. And that kind of iterated why that is like a secret harmonious beat for us. And I didn't know that. And but we're going to check out the video now. And you can see here, we'll see what they had to say. I'm going to turn this up for you. Hopefully you can hear
it. Josh, what do you want to do now? I think we should go to Suno with this. All right, I'm going to go to Suno and see how this shit really works. Yeah. All right.
All right, if y'all couldn't hear that, they're going to go to Suno and they're going to start working up their workflow. So let's check out their workflow here. And I'm going to try to remember to post a link to the video down here. Let me scroll so you can see. This is on hiphopisreal.com channel. Okay. So what he's talking about right now is like, uploading it to these different DAWs or these digital workplaces and editing the music there, right? That's what he's talking about with Ableton, a very popular one.
Can we show the screen? Yeah, let's show the screen so y'all can see what time it is.
He said he's got to show the screen. They're going to put it up on the big screen for everybody to see.
So, Rance, we're getting this queued up. Talk to us about why it's important to you to be able to hear different options, to be able to put something in, get a bunch of different versions back to listen to it.
He said, he asked him to tell us why it's important to get a bunch of different versions back and why there's different options.
I don't like limits to anything. I want to do everything my brain imagines. So this is a tool where I could say, yo, give me a choir, 30 people, like Ebenezer Baptist Church.
See, he said he likes to tell it to give him a choir with 30 people in it from Ebenezer Baptist Church. What do I always say? That differentiation is what's going to help you be successful here. Gregorian chanting, I like. Throat singing, right? Stuff like that. Any kind of chanting. If you think about it, it sounds pretty cool. Viking chanting, right? And he just asked for the 30-person choir from the Baptist church, right? This is a professional artist doing the same things we're doing, right? That's why we're successful. It's helping me see also more clearly what is working and why about what I'm doing.
And then I'll sing the melody because it's my melody. And boy, y'all be having church. It's like that, you know what I mean? So, but it all comes from you, and it's just a tool just to enhance your imagination.
Did you heard that? He said it all comes from me. It's just a tool to enhance your imagination. Right now, you have what the professionals think about this, right? They're using this. They're banking on this, all right? This is all I really wanted to go over. Y'all go check out this video. That's enough babbling for me. I'm going to get to work. I got to go coach another tournament today. We got an in-house jiu-jitsu tournament at my gym. We're doing promotions today. Big day for some people, okay? Enjoy your day. Don't drop no negative comments, guys. And if y'all see haters in my comments, jump on them. Let them know what time it is. They don't know what they're talking about. They just get out there running their mouth, okay? We got haters. You see people trying to dox me and say stuff. Let them know what time it is. We're a squad, right? And if you get on any of these late night, and I'm going to be DJing today too. It's going to be my first live set, by the way. Wish me luck. If you've been on some of my live DJs at night, you guys know I'm in here making music on my own and chopping it up. So I'm going to be at the gym playing some music for the people while I got my people competing. I'm a jiu-jitsu black belt, so I'm going to be promoting other people today. And, yeah. Gang with me, all right? Remember that song? If you've been on my live sets, that's what I was about to say. Gang, gang. Gang with me, all right? Peace.
Gang with me. Gang with me. Gang with me. What you gonna do? You can tell by the way I move. Only real ones in my view. Blunt stay lit when the mood gets smooth. Gang with me. What you gonna do? Talk big talk, better make that proof. Gang with me. What you gonna do? Gang with me. What you gon' yeah, slide through calm, but the eyes on red. Whole room watch every word I said. If you came for a vibe, better match that too. If you came for a name, we don't speak on you. Little chip on my shoulder, big chip in the rollie. Came up quiet, now the rumors all know me. I don't flex online, I just walk straight through. If you standing by the door, I'ma check that view. Gang with me, what you gon' do? You can tell by the way I move. Only real ones in my view. Blunt stay lit when the mood gets smooth. Gang with me, what you gon' do?